Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'll show you how you can access your watch history on Facebook. Let's get started by opening the Facebook application. Go ahead and log into your account. Once logged in, tap on the menu icon. Inside here, simply tap on the settings like icon right over here. Now inside settings and privacy, scroll below. Then tap on activity log under your activity. Now inside here, you want to go ahead and simply tap on activity history and then tap on filters. Now select categories and inside here tap on your Facebook activity and then go ahead and tap on reels. Tap on all, and just like that, inside here you will then be able to see your Facebook watch history, including every videos you have watched in reverse order. And that's it. That is how you can scroll back and rewatch any videos from your history. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.